What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. If you guys are new, shit, I dropped my keys. If you guys are new, my name's Mike. So today we're gonna be checking out an Audi. I think it's an S7 or S5 track edition. It's getting a custom exhaust and it's getting installed as we speak right now. Another exciting thing that happened today or the other day was my little brother got his 5L, so he's got like a learner's driver's license. It is raining. I was gonna work on Ariana today, but she's currently not here. She is, you'll see her later on. But Josh is going to drive today, so don't kill us, Josh, don't kill us. Actually, you know what, maybe get into a car accident so we can have decent footage for the vlog.
Safety first.
Now put her in reverse. Okay, there we go.
Okay, this is exciting.
Okay, so if I were you, I would turn full, like full send. Yeah, you go.
Okay, wait, I'm just gonna...
Okay, put her in drive if you need to. Yeah, just don't hit the Evo 4. I feel like this is still illegal, but we're good. Okay, pretty smooth, pretty smooth. You're going about 45. I feel safe. It sucks that it's raining out today though. I wanted to put the canards on Ariana, but some exhaust doesn't sound bad either. Okay, stop, stop, stop.
Oh.
Little harsh on the stop.
Oops.
Okay, go, go, go. No, 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 it's you, go. Okay, Jesus Christ, Josh.
Well,
God damn it.
want to go first.
Why not? It's your start. Oh my God. Oh, it's all good. We're safe.
I want to drive an Evo.
What do you say?
I want to drive the Evo.
Maybe learn how to drive this first and then we'll move on to bigger and better things in life. Slow down here. So, oh, Jesus Christ. Curb, 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 curb. Whoa, dude, wrong parking lot. No, no, reserved parking. You want to be over there. All right, so after a long journey with Josh driving, he managed to park the car at Innova in one piece, so props to him. That was his very first time driving on like a busy street, which wasn't really that busy because it's a Sunday and it's like 11 in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what exhaust was going on this Audi. Oh, Milton! Hey! Oh, ho, ho. All right, so it's pretty loud in there, but it is an Audi S5 track edition. And the exhaust is from AWE's. It's a brand new car from 2018, so AWE had to make a custom exhaust for it. So this thing I don't even think is in production yet, to my knowledge. It might be already, I don't know. But brand new exhaust, fully custom. It's gonna sound so gnarly. Sorry if it's a little loud, but I don't even know what these things are. I think they're like spacers or something. But guys, check this out. It looks... Ooh, baby! This is gonna look so good. So clean too. Got all the pipes over here. This exhaust looks way more complicated than my Evo, but it is like a new Audi, so I mean, these are all the stuff that my dad had to remove just to get under. There's like cross braces already underneath the car to stiffen the chassis. So just as like a visual representation of what we're putting on, this is a non-resonated exhaust. This is the stock one of what we have out so far. This is the resonator, obviously the two exhausts, and these are valves from the factory. And here's what we're putting on. Literally just straight. These are the downpipes too. Just like my exhaust, it's straight. So this thing is gonna be so nasty once it's done. This engine looks kind of weird to what I'm used to seeing. This is the turbo and it just goes in there, and I think this is like the cat and it's kind of splits down. I've never seen this before. It looks so weird. Looking real nice, Dad. Your battery pack on the back of your head. Up and down.
Wait a minute. Let me catch my breath.
You're getting it going. Yeah. Okay, you're good. Yeah! Good job, Dad.
Look at me.
Now that he has his license, is working on a car. An S5 on his first car. A brand new Audi S5. Wow. Look at you, Josh.
Oh, Dad. I forgot something. What? Oh my goodness, really?
Where does that go? Where did that go?
You can put it on? How? Oh my goodness. Fuck, I'm sorry.
Oh my god, Josh. Why?
No, this is fine. That is here.
Yeah.
That is here.
So where does this go?
This is
No,
for
the back.
here.
There's one more.
Okay, you're good. You're good, Josh. You're good. Woo! All this like plastic covers and carpeting. I don't even know why there's carpeting back here, but they're all bolted in. And I think we're almost ready for its first startup. I think it's gonna be so nasty. It's gonna be unreal.
Unreal.
Unreal, dude. It's gonna be unreal. We're still gonna be putting on the tips later, but right now we're gonna see how it sounds. Oh, it's much louder. Smells good. Woo! It has a nice tone to it. Yeah, it's not really wild. It's really tame, actually. Yeah, it's not like Subaru and the Evo. When you straight pipe, it sounds really, really. Blah, da, 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 da. Yeah.
Gentle.
Oh! Oh! Ho, ho. That thing sounds freaking insane. I thought it'd be a lot more wild, like my Evo, but for a straight pipe it sounds pretty tame actually, and it has a pretty good exhaust note for a car that doesn't have like any mufflers whatsoever. Right now Josh and I are just gonna grab a bite to eat, and we're probably gonna continue the vlog at UE, so I'll see you guys there. Mod of the day, look at this. Limited edition. We don't even make that anymore, dude. We don't even make this one.
That's vintage.
That is vintage.
Vintage right there. Wow.
This is why I didn't make it, because it's like
Still intact. Never mind.
they never are intact. That's why I stopped making them. But damn, subscriber, baby, the Civic is out again. If you guys want a review of this, I know I keep promising you guys reviews, but it's like, I don't know. I just don't know where to do it here in Winnipeg.
I know.
I've always wanted one of these cars.
That's okay, man. I will take a down payment.
Before I end today's video, I just want to let you guys know that the Anti-Perfect website, so all the merch that I have designed and ready so far is all online, linked down below. We have jet tags and a couple stickers and decals. If you guys want to support the channel, that'll be awesome. There is shipping, but if you guys are local, DM me on my Instagram, which you guys will see in the end card, and we can probably meet up at Unrestricted Empire or a local meet, and I can definitely just give you your order that way. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Anti-Perfect Society. Peace out and make it happen.